Why is the sky blue? A child's question. The answer changed physics forever. In the 19th century, one man asked that question, and many others. He explained the sky, discovered a new element, and won the Nobel Prize. John William Strutt, the third Baron Rayleigh. Physicist, Nobel laureate, the man who found argon hiding in plain sight. Born 1842 into privilege, but not health, constantly ill, constantly reading. At 19, he entered Trinity College, Cambridge. By graduation, he was senior wrangler, top mathematics student in the university. In 1871, he married Evelyn Balfour. The next year, rheumatic fever nearly killed him. Doctors sent him to Egypt to recover. On a houseboat drifting up the Nile, with his bride beside him, he began writing what would become the theory of sound, still a foundation of acoustics. He inherited the barony in 1873 and built a laboratory at his estate. He would do almost all his work there. He turned to light. Why is the sky blue? He derived Rayleigh's scattering. Blue light scatters more than red. A fundamental insight. In 1879, James Clerk Maxwell died. Rayleigh took the Cavendish Professorship, the most prestigious physics chair in Britain. For 5 years, he built a research school from nothing. When he left, 70 experimental physicists trained in his methods. In the 1880s, he measured gas densities with unprecedented precision and found something strange. Nitrogen from air weighed slightly more than nitrogen from chemicals, a tiny difference. But Rayleigh trusted his instruments. A century earlier, Henry Cavendish had noticed something similar. He shared his findings with William Ramsay, a chemist. An improbable partnership, the cautious Rayleigh and the impulsive Ramsay. They attacked the problem from different angles. Both found the same thing. On August 4, 1894, Ramsay wrote, "I have isolated the gas at last." Rayleigh replied 2 days later, "I believe I too have isolated it." They named it Argon, from the Greek argos, meaning lazy, because it refused to react with anything. In 1904, Rayleigh received the Nobel Prize in Physics for the discovery of argon. That same year, Ramsay won the Nobel in Chemistry. He was 62. He had explained the sky, transformed acoustics, and discovered a new element. He served as president of the Royal Society, then as Chancellor of Cambridge University, the highest honors his country could bestow. Lord Rayleigh died June 30, 1919, at Terling Place. He had worked until 5 days before his death, still curious, still searching. Today, we look at the sky and see blue. We fill light bulbs with argon, all because a sickly boy from Essex grew up to ask the right questions. He discovered a world hiding in plain sight, and he proved that the most extraordinary truths often begin
For your
with the
profound
smallest
contributions,
discrepancies.
it is my honor.
This is Nobel Notes at Awards Worldwide, where the world's greatest minds live forever.